Well, hello. We are getting ready to ride down to Eureka Springs for the Spring Fling. This is the first day, Thursday the 20th. Oh, here comes Aaron. We're trying to get ready to go on this adventure, right? Packing up the bikes.
All ready, baby.
We are. I think I better finish packing up and putting stuff on. The weather has been horrible here. Last night we had some torrential rains. It's blown out of here. It's still overcast. We're going to try to beat it. And then Eureka Springs is supposed to have severe weather. So we'll see how this all plays out. But this should be a good time. All right, let's hit the road. want to say thank you to the Switchback Bar and the Cathouse for the hospitality that you showed to all of us content creators. We really appreciate it. And for all you members, I hope you enjoyed this quick glimpse of the Spring Fling. I'll have more to share in the upcoming episodes, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that. And don't forget, it's free to join the nation. So until next time, ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.